Good morning from Bangkok. It's our day 3. Day 3. Our itinerary today is Mahanakhon Tower and Central Village. Karon guys, kay mangita sa may place for breakfast. We're here sa Pratunam area.
We went inside this local restaurant which we found on our first day.
Say mo yam. Kadaghan-daghan guys sa gipilian. Nahulog ra gyapon mi og pad krapao. Stir fried pork.
Ice pink milk.
Oh, you try that one. So the place is jam-packed this morning. You know the restaurant is good if it's jam-packed. Guys. ordered Thai pink milk. Uy, lami. Hey guys, here's what we ordered. Stir-fried chicken. Stir-fried pork with basil.
Alam kayo. Very spicy. Masalang na mo ba?
Oo. How was it? Masarap. Dami.
We took the train to Chong Nonsi Station going to Mahanakhon Tower. Take the exit 3 of the station and you will be directed to Mahanakhon Cube.
Going to King Power Mahanakhon Tower. Oh. So, naragay siya sa kilid guys sa BTS station. So, we're just waiting for the lift here at Mahanakhon for the skywalk experience. So, we booked our ticket through Klook. 74th floor. Yeah, 74th. So we're still here sa 74th floor and the rooftop glass tray is at the 78th. So we're going up. This view is crazy. Swadika.
Over you through. Only on the glass. Naka, put it up there.
Kapan ka. So we have to wear the shoes.
Sa glass lang.
Going up.
78th floor.
Swadika. This is the 78th floor.
The main attraction here at Mahanakhon Tower is their glass skywalk experience. The rooftop also allows you to see Bangkok from a 360-degree panoramic view. Since we are at the 78th floor, make sure to put on sunscreen or sunblock because it's really hot here. This is the glass skywalk. Bags and cell phones are not allowed inside.
So this is the glass. Here's MM. So MM is enjoying the glass view. Okay, hadlock guys. There's gamay pang tao ron kay it's still morning. Usually daghan siya tao dili basta padulong sunset. So up here. Yeah. Emma is enjoying it. Guys, we're done with...
Uy, kanigra na lang. Uy.
Guys, ito na kay me. Wala may kabutan og sunscreen.
Uy, naman na
Tapos,
ako sunscreen.
dool lang. Lo, sunog. Lo yung sunog. Lo. So after this, manaog na lang me. We'll look for Cafe Amazon. Kay dito may mag-meet ni Jair.
Choki.
So after that, maato mi Central Village guys. So come with us. May mga outlet stores dito. Pero mong gato bitaw kayo dito nag-shoot siya.
Korean bike.
Pinan Becky sa Bye! So, this is the Mahanakon Tower, guys, from outside. Yan yung design niya. This is the Mahanakon Tower compared to other towers. So, it's 314 meters. Hi! So, we're here sa Cafe Amazon. Just across Mahanakon Tower. So, we're waiting for Jaire. Kay moadto mi og Central Village. So, this is a local cafe, guys. Yeah. Namili lang coffee for only like 70 baht. You know? So, this is her first dose of coffee. Okay, nag-iced tea lang sa akin na coffee na ko ganiha. So, we're just waiting for Jaire. We're here at Central Village.
Outlet spoke.
So, really nag-film ang Gap, the series. Grab some lunch. Karon sa ilang food court, guys. There is a food village. So, ang mga stall diri wala sila nanawat o cash. So, need ka mo kuha og cash card, pero refundable lang. So, for example, mga tag 100, so butang nila sa card, then sakyan ra kanila kung wala ni mo nahurot ang sulod sa card. Wala pa kayo napili. Pad Thai, shrimp and chicken. Oh, this is the Gap filming location. Ayos, naglibot-libot mi diri sa Central Village. Pero wala kayo may na palit. Isa ra.
Ano ba?
Sige lang, basta kay daling nag-film sila Becky sa una. This is an guys, outlet store. Yan, dagan kayo siya kung brand. So after here, we are going to Judd's Fair. So, mag-travel me around mga 40 minutes siguro. Depende sa traffic. Kumusta yung mga pag-ari?
Well, okay lang.
Wala kayo pinapili. Ah. Judd's Fair. So after diri kay Judd's Fair na. This is Judd Fair. Mostly kay mga food.
Judd Fair's Daniramit is one of Bangkok's newest night market. It is home to over 100 stalls, mostly food that will satisfy your taste buds, clothes, and also includes accessories. The night market is located in Chatuchak district. You can take the BTS Sukhumvit line and drop off at Hayek Lat Phra station, exit 4. It is easy to locate because of its huge castle. Judd Fairs is open 4 p.m. to midnight. Enjoy the variety of food sold here.
So first we try sa Thai. Egg. What's that?
Pag ginawa ka
Yam, di ba ganun ka mo-try ani? Concept. Ooh. First order. 10 ang usacho. Our local Thai tour guide is choosing his chicken.
Wala na akong tawag.
Oo. Dried goods.
We ordered some of their pork barbecue for only 10 baht each.
Ame. Only 10 baht.
You can find exotic foods here too, like this one.
Yado.
Naglibot pa mo or dugay-dugay siya naluto? Niluto po siya. Yan, layo. Medyo layo siya. Ah, diba?
That's it for our third day, guys. Stay tuned for another vlog and I hope you enjoyed our video.